Hi, I'm Defragmenter, and I've got a super chic knot to show you. It's called the Prince Albert necktie knot. If you want to stand out from the crowd, but you don't want to make it glaringly obvious, this knot is perfect, as you'll see in a few moments. The Prince Albert uses up a bit of material, so your starting position is going to need to look like this. I've got the thin end of the tie sitting around the bottom of my rib cage. Take both ends and cross them over. The wide end goes on top. Now bring the wide end around the back. And hold it like this. With your other hand, put 2 fingers here to hold everything into place, and wrap the wide end around them. Drop it, pick it up from behind, and bring it around the back to where you started. Now this is a double-tiered knot, so what we're going to do is add another layer. And to do that, we're going to bring the wide end around the front again. Drop it, pick it up from behind, and bring it around the back. So what we've got here are our 2 loops, our 2 tiers. And we also have a little tunnel, which we're going to use for our finishing knot. Take the wide end, bring it around the back, and thread it up through this opening here. Grab it on the other side, and bring it all the way through. Now thread the wide end down through that tunnel. Grab it with your other hand, and pull it all the way down. Slide the knot up, adjusting it as you go. And what you end up with is this suave, multi-tiered effect. It's a pretty informal knot, works with any type of collar, and it adds a nice asymmetrical effect to your look. If you want a surefire way to turn heads for all the right reasons, you're going to want to check out this tie knot right here. Click the video on screen now, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.